Did you know that nearly 65% of travelers admit to feeling anxious about speaking a foreign language abroad? That moment when a local asks you a question and your mind goes blank, it's terrifying. Hi, everyone. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering 30 simple English conversations for travelers. Whether you are at the airport, checking into a hotel, or ordering food, these are the exact phrases you need. We are going to slow everything down for easy listening and speaking practice. Let's see if we can nail them all. Traveling is amazing, but the language barrier is the number one thing that stops people from exploring. You worry about pronunciation, you worry about grammar, and often you just stay silent. But here's the secret. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need clear, simple phrases. Today, we're focusing on A1 and A2 level English. Here's how this works. I'll play 30 short conversations. First, you'll hear the conversation at a slow speed. Then, there will be a pause for you to repeat. This is called shadowing. Finally, we'll hear it at a natural speed. Are you ready to become a confident traveler? Let's begin. Let's start with the very first hurdles, the airport and finding a taxi.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here on vacation for 1 week.
Now you say it. I am here on vacation.
Conversation 2. Missing luggage. Excuse me, my bag did not arrive.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, my bag did not arrive.
Do you have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, here it is. It is a blue suitcase.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
Conversation 3. Finding the taxi stand. Excuse me, where can I find a taxi?
Go out the main door and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it is just a 2-minute walk.
Key phrase. Where can I find a taxi?
Conversation 4. Telling the destination.
Where are you going?
I need to go to the city center hotel, please.
Okay. Do you want to take the highway?
Yes, please, whichever is faster. Conversation 5. Asking about the fare. How much is the ride?
It is about $20.
Do you accept credit cards?
No, cash only, please.
Great job. You've arrived. Now let's handle the hotel.
Conversation 6. Checking in.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a reservation under the name Smith.
Let me check. Yes, a double room for 3 nights?
That is correct. Conversation 7. Asking for Wi-Fi. What is the Wi-Fi password?
This is the most important question. Repeat. What is the Wi-Fi password?
It is written on your key card. It's Hotel Guest 123.
Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is free in all rooms.
Conversation 8. Breakfast times. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is it included in the price?
Yes, it is included.
Conversation 9. Reporting a problem.
Hello, there is a problem with my room. I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong? The air conditioner is not working. I will send someone to fix it immediately.
Conversation 10. Late checkout.
Can I have a late checkout? What time would you like to leave? At 1 p.m. if possible. That is fine. No extra charge.
Getting lost is part of the adventure, but you need to know how to get back.
Conversation 11. Asking where is. Excuse me, where is the nearest subway station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Conversation 12. Using a map. Can you show me where we are on this map?
Sure. We are right here, near the park.
And where is the museum?
It is here, about 10 minutes away.
Conversation 13. Buying a ticket. One ticket to Central Station, please.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
That will be €5.
Conversation 14. Is this the right bus? Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?
No, you need the number 42 bus.
Where can I catch that bus?
At the stop across the street.
Conversation 15. How far is it? Is the beach far from here?
It is too far to walk.
Should I take a taxi?
Yes, or you can take the bus.
This is my favorite part, eating. Let's practice ordering food confidently.
Conversation 16. Asking for a table.
Hostess, welcome. How many people?
A table for 2, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we do not. Conversation 17. Looking at the menu.
Here is the menu. Can I get you a drink? I'll have water, please. Sparkling or still? Still water, please.
Repeat this. I will have water, please.
Conversation 18. Ordering food.
Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like the chicken salad. Anything else? No, that is all. Thank you.
Conversation 19. Dietary restrictions.
Excuse me, does this soup contain meat? Yes, it has chicken. I am a vegetarian. Do you have a vegetable soup? Yes, the tomato soup is vegetarian.
Conversation 20. The bill.
Can we have the bill, please? Sure. Would you like to pay together or separate? We'll pay together. Okay, here is the machine.
We are almost done. Let's look at shopping and what to do if you need help.
Conversation 21. Asking the price.
How much is this t-shirt? It is $15. That's a bit expensive. Can you give a discount? Okay, $12.
Conversation 22. Trying it on.
Can I try this on? Of course. The fitting room is over there. Do you have this in a larger size? Let me check the back.
Conversation 23. Finding the bathroom.
Excuse me, where is the restroom? It is at the back of the store. Thank you.
This is a lifesaver. Repeat. Where is the restroom?
Conversation 24. At the pharmacy.
How can I help you? I have a headache. Do you have aspirin? Yes. Take 2 of these after eating. Thank you very much.
Conversation 25. Asking for help. Emergency.
Help! Please call the police. What happened? My wallet was stolen. Okay, I am calling them now.
Finally, traveling is about meeting people. Here are 5 simple chats to make friends.
Conversation 26. Introductions.
Where are you from? I am from Canada. And you? I live here in this city. It is a beautiful city.
Conversation 27. Asking for recommendations.
What is the best restaurant around here? You should try Mama's Pizza down the street. Is it expensive? No, it is very cheap and tasty.
Conversation 28. Taking a photo.
Excuse me, could you take a photo of us? Sure. Just press this button. Yes, thank you so much.
Conversation 29. Weather.
It is very hot today. Yes, it is much hotter than my country. Do you like the hot weather? I prefer the winter, actually.
Conversation 30. Saying goodbye.
It was nice meeting you. You too. Enjoy your day. Warm travels. Goodbye.
You made it. We just went through 30 essential conversations. But before you go, I want to highlight the 3 most important phrases from today. If you forget everything else, remember these. Excuse me, could you help me? This is the polite opener that makes people want to assist you. Where is the restroom? Essential for obvious reasons. How much is this? Crucial for avoiding scams and managing your budget. Remember, even if your grammar isn't perfect, a smile and excuse me goes a long way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is just practice. I hope these 30 conversations give you the confidence to book that ticket and explore the world. You now have the tools to handle the airport, hotels, restaurants, and even emergencies. Which conversation was the most useful for you? Was it the hotel check-in or ordering food? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!